Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to initialize the sunroof in BMW cars. There are three reasons why you would want to do this. First is that your sunroof is not closing correctly. It stops and moves back when you're trying to close it. Second one, the pinch protection is not working, so it will not detect you an obstacle in the sunroof area and it can crush your hand, for example. And the third reason is that the one press opening or closing is not working. Also the remote control is not opening or closing your sunroof if you had that function before. So what you need to do is press and hold this button. After about 15 seconds the procedure will start. Keep holding this button during the whole procedure just to confirm that everything is okay, because as I said before, all the safety features are not working correctly before this procedure is done. So by pressing and holding it, you are confirming that everything is okay. You need to observe this area and make sure that there's no obstacles in the sunroof window. Okay, that's it. Give me a thumbs up if this helped you. Check my other tutorials about BMW and subscribe for future videos. See you soon.